Okay, so now we want to put a program in using a USB stick.
We take our USB, go to the side here, plug it in. It'll say USB mounted. We go to list program. And we want to go to our USB section here. Select our program that we want. We press F2. We want to copy it to the memory. Press enter. And we're just going to copy the first one. Press enter again. It'll ask you if you want to replace it. Press Y for yes. And then we go to our memory. And there's our program.
Let's do a graphic display of the program cut.
Push graphics. We'll show this screen here. Press cycle start.
And that's what we're going to cut. Onto that block. Okay, this is what's supposed to happen. So the first couple of passes are going to be a little bit loud. Okay, this successfully cut.